Welcome to the new to the Trobe Supports for Success video for all commencing students. My name is Elio and I'm a student advisor here at La Trobe University. This is the second of two new to La Trobe short videos for commencing students, so please make sure you have engaged with the other resources in this collection. There is also a specific cohort new to La Trobe video that will provide more course-specific information for you, so please make sure you engage with this as well. At the end, you will also see how you can connect with your student advisor. La Trobe University acknowledges that this presentation and our participants are located on the lands of many traditional custodians in Australia. We recognise their ongoing connection to the land and value their unique contribution to the university and wider Australian society. We pay our respects to Indigenous elders, past and present, and extend this respect to any Indigenous participant engaging with this resource today. Predictors of success. Based on research undertaken here in Australia with university students just like you, we know that there are 7 things that you can do to maximise your chances of succeeding at university. The strongest predictor of success is spending adequate time on tasks. You will need to dedicate approximately 10 hours per subject per week. We recommend using a weekly planner to put aside time to study each subject every week. It is invaluable experience to attend your classes in real time as much as possible. It provides opportunities to ask questions, test your knowledge, and have discussions with fellow students. We understand that you have a personal life and work outside of your studies, but it is critical for your well-being and academic success to balance this. For students studying full-time, we recommend working no more than 10 to 15 hours per week. We understand in the current financial climate that you may need to work more to support yourself, and we recommend, if this is the case for you, to make a one-on-one appointment with your student advisor who can help you develop a study plan which suits your circumstances. Online engagement is critically important. There is an abundance of digital tools at your disposal. Access and take advantage of these. Learn to use the Learning Management System, LMS. Check your student email regularly, connect online, and stay up to date. Confidence is built over time with each learning block you conquer. Nurture a sense of academic achievement by acknowledging and celebrating the small successes and reflecting constructively on your mistakes. Focus on your goals, identify small, medium, and long-term goals. For instance, what you want to achieve by the end of semester, by the end of the year, and by graduation. You don't have to have it all figured out now, but start thinking about these questions and explore opportunities in and out of class to help you reach the goals. Make connections and develop a social network with your peers, and this will help you feel more connected and supported. Get to know your tutors, lab demonstrators, lecturers, subject coordinators. You are part of a scholastic community now, so start building your networks. Orientation is a perfect time to meet others in your course and join clubs and societies. Weekly calendar. Your subjects are designed to involve around 10 hours of work per subject per week, including class time. Most subjects probably only have 4 hours of classes per week, which means it is expected you're spending 6 hours per subject per week on your readings, revision, and assessments. This time doesn't just happen, you have to plan for it and stick to your plan. Supports at La Trobe. In addition to student advising team, there are many other teams that can support you with any questions you may have. You are far from alone when it comes to studying at La Trobe University. You might have heard that there is no support at university, and I want to assure you this is not the case. The big difference when you start tertiary education is that you'll be treated like an adult. So yes, it is different to school, but I want to assure you that we are here to help. When you need assistance with anything, it is important that you reach out early, asking the question that you have or seeking assistance that you need. One of our main administrative support areas is called Ask La Trobe. You can go to them to have questions that you have in regards to your enrolment, timetabling, fees, student admin related questions. For IT support, our fantastic student IT team can troubleshoot any tech issues you may experience. If you ever need academic support, whether it be with assessment planning, taking down the right resources, or writing your reference list, the library offer a range of services, including both academic skills advisors and peer learning advisors who can work with you to develop your university academic skills. Your health and well-being is very important. We understand that students, you'll be juggling many different roles, including friends, family, co-workers, and classmates. There are many health and well-being services that as a La Trobe student, you can access confidentially and without cost. Accessibility. We're proud to offer personalised support for students who may face additional challenges during their studies. This includes students who identify as neurodiverse, those living with a mental health or chronic health condition, as well as students who have caring responsibilities. In the centre of the slide, you will see how we support these students, starting with a one-on-one intake appointment. This conversation helps us understand the student's needs so we can put in place a learning access plan or LAP. The plan outlines reasonable adjustments that can make a real difference, whether it's extra time in exams, flexibility around placement, or support in class participation and assessments. It's important to note any or individual learning plan ILP that was in place for VCE or other tertiary education studies doesn't automatically transfer to tertiary education. On the right of the slide, we've highlighted some of the practical supports we offer. This may include assistive technology, adaptive equipment, or access to a scribe or note taker, depending on what's most helpful to the student. Our goal is to create an inclusive learning environment where students feel understood, supported, and empowered to do their best. We encourage students to reach out early, ideally before the semester starts. Having support arrangements in place before all classes begin helps the student feel at ease and allows for a smoother transition to university life. Student advising. Every student at La Trobe has a specific student advisor that can help with you throughout your studies. Your student advisor can help you with the transition into university, assist you with your course planning and subject selection, and help you get the most out of your degree by helping you with key aspects of university life. We will work together with you to develop action plans, discuss goals, how to build your academic skills, and more. They will work in partnership together. If you'd like to book an appointment with your course-specific student advisor, you can contact Ask La Trobe to arrange this. They will ask you a few questions before making the appointment to determine if you can get help on the spot or if it's better to book and speak to your advisor one-on-one. Thank you for watching this New to La Trobe Supports for Success video. Be sure to watch the next video, New to La Trobe Getting Started, as well as your cohort-specific video.